Hey, what's up guys? Mike Red Fox. In this video, I think I've officially lost my mind. I bought a pre-built to harvest the GPU. Alright, so here's the pre-built I bought. It's ASUS Strix pre-built. I might have had one too many beers when I decided to buy this. And yeah, so it comes with a 3070. I have no idea which one. It might be a Strix, I'm not sure. Pictures really don't show you. And I mean, I'll throw all the specs of this and a link to it up on the screen here. But it popped up on Best Buy and I said, what the hell, let's do it. I have no idea what I'm going to do with the rest of the computer. If I'm going to keep it, if I'm going to part it out, if I'm going to put an old GPU in it and sell it. I'm not sure. I wasn't really thinking this one through, to be honest with you. But I figured it'd be fun for us together to get this thing open and see what it has in it. So let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. No idea what this is. A bunch of power supply cables. Ooh, a mouse. A bunch of just cables in there. That's cool. I feel like when I used to get like Pokemon cards or Magic cards when I was a kid, like what are you gonna get in the pack? I'm guessing this is a keyboard. Yep. Keyboard's in there. Alright, here's the computer. Pretty tiny. Okay. What we got. All right, let me put it up and we'll take a look at it. All right, let's see. There's definitely a GPU in there. I mean, I think we're gonna have to open this up and check it out.
RTX GTX GPUs RX RTX GTX GPUs.
Alright, that's what I took out of that thing. Looks like an ASUS Dual 3070. It had this, you can see this bracket there. I'll show you, just I guess to prevent GPU sag. See how it kind of just slots in, and then that bracket screwed into the back of the case to prevent sag. So that held me up for a second. I mean, this thing is just look how green RAM. What year is it? Cheap cooler. I mean, it's about what you expect. But ASUS Dual 3070. So I definitely want to get this slotted up and see how it performs, and then I'm gonna decide what to do with the rest of this thing. All right, there she is, and she's mining. So let's take a look. Getting 62.5 mega hash at 130 watts with the quick overclocks that I put in. So it's a real 3070 that came in that pre-built, and it really hashes pretty well. So there's that. All right, so here we are at the computer, and what we're gonna do is just first of all look at that exact pre-built that I bought, see what that GPU is worth at MSRP, and then see the money that I gotta make up in selling the rest of the components from this pre-built, whether I should do it as just sell the whole pre-built without GPU, or I should take some of the parts out of it and sell those separately. I'm not really sure what's going to be the most profitable. We'll see what people are doing on eBay and just really go from there. So here's that pre-built again, ASUS gaming desktop, and it came with the RTX 3070. Got it here on Best Buy. Took me about a week to get it and paid $15.99 for it. I actually think I used some like gift card rewards I had from buying so many GPUs from Best Buy, so that took down the price just a little bit. And inside that was this ASUS Dual RTX 3070, which so far is working really, really great. So happy with this GPU, happy it was in there. And you can see the MSRP on that GPU is $689 if it's in stock and you can get it at that price. So let's do this. Let's fill out some of that information here. So what did I say? $15.99 total investment for buying the pre-built. And that ASUS Dual is worth $689. So I have this delta here. I have some money I gotta figure out how to make back, and that's what we're gonna look at. So let's do quick math here. So we're gonna do $15.99 minus $689, and you can see my delta is $910. That's the money that I want to make up in selling the rest of the components, and let's just really see how close I can get to that. And we're just going to use eBay as our guiding light here. So I'm going to search probably just ASUS gaming desktop, and we're going to see what comes up here. And we're going to look for ones that don't have GPU. So got that one. This is probably one. And let's go look at some sold items to see what they actually sold for. I promise I'm not a robot. Here's your traffic lights. Okay, sold items. Here we go. And let's see. Here's another one. Here's another one. Okay, so we got a good place to start. So let's take a look and just get a gauge at what I might sell the rest of this for without taking the components out and parting it out. So you can see one of these had sold in the last 24 hours. It looks like the exact same model that I bought and has probably no GPU. It doesn't say it up there. Let's see. Yeah, this has no GPU. So this one have any bids on it yet? I don't see any to buy it now. So $715. Let's see if there's any that actually sold for that. Here's one listing for $800. Let's go to these original listings here. So this one actually sold for $799. And let's see, did it have no GPU? No GPU. Okay. $799. And that was with free standard shipping. Let's see, this one, no GPU, everything else included, $700 free standard shipping. And just the last one we'll do for the sake of this video is same one, no GPU, sold for $769 with free shipping. So let's just play on the safe side and say, I mean, it's pretty easy math here, that I sell it just out, not part it out, just sell the thing, put it back in the box, and ship it away on eBay, not counting eBay fees or taxes in any of these calculations. I mean, really, we'll just do that math right now. That will be a $210 delta, which means that the overall price I would pay for this GPU would be that $689 MSRP plus $210, which means I would pay $899 in total for this GPU, everything all said and done. Again, not counting taxes or eBay fees or any of that stuff, and the work that I had to put in shipping it and all of that. But really, I mean, that's not too bad. That's way better than paying scalp prices on eBay for the GPUs or locally or any of that stuff. So, I mean, I'll take it. I have another pre-built I just bought. I guess maybe I'll do another video on that, and we'll see where that one lands. But I'm honestly not even going to bother with parting this thing out because I don't have boxes for the processor or the RAM. I have to figure that out. And like just the time that it would take to do that, it's probably not worth the $210 personally for me. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm just going to put this and all its accessories back in the box, list it on eBay as what it is without a GPU. Hopefully gets minimum, looks like $700 for it, ship it away and be done with it and have that GPU. And listen, if I can do that pretty regularly, this is not a bad route to go. I might pick up a few more. But yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've done this yet or if you're thinking about doing this. I think it's a little crazy, but obviously I'm not the only one doing it, considering that there's all these listings on eBay, people doing the exact same. And you know, I'm sure not everybody's doing it for their mining rigs. People are definitely doing it just to get the GPU to put in their way better PC that they probably built. And of course, people are scalping these already on eBay. You know, here's one right here that got scalped. So got to watch out for that too. But if you really want to get some GPUs, you don't mind putting a little bit of work in and paying, I guess, like $200 extra for that GPU over its MSRP, this is a pretty good route to go. And I will definitely be doing some more purchasing of this pre-built if it comes up again and just flipping the rest of it to make back most of that delta. Hope this video was helpful for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Join my Discord if you want to hang out with some really cool people. Link is in the description below. And yeah, guys, subscribe for more content on GPU mining. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next video.